products, construction machinery and agriculture machinery, such as the road roller, tractors, and today we focus on the tractors. The tractor named after the horsepower. The horsepower range from mini 50 horsepower, 70 horsepower, 100 horsepower, and to 180 horsepower. Today we mainly talk about the 180 horsepower. This 180 horsepower, the model is LT1804, and the LT is the abbreviation of the LUTONG TD, stand for the TD cases, and 180 stands for the 180 horsepower. The 4 stands for the 4-wheel drive, and you can see this tractor is behind on me. Now I give you a brief introduction. Look here, you can add a counterweight to effectively prevent the front of the tractor from peeling up. Let's look at the tires. Our tires is an ordinary tread tires. Is suitable for the dry land and long distance transportation. Now I am in the tractor's cab. The cab has the air conditioning and a radio which give us a comfortable working condition. And our seat is adjusted. And our gears has 24 forward gears and 8 reverse gears. Our tractors adapts the Dongfanghong engine, and the whole weight of the tractor is 5,800 kilograms. Okay, let's look at the back of the tractors. Here we can choose different implements, such as cedars and single disc plows, suitable for the different working conditions. In the end, we have different horsepower tractors. If you are interested in these tractors, please free to contact me. I will give you the best price.